Hi friends, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can delete a partition that you are not able to delete in disk management, or wherever you are trying to delete you are not able to delete that particular partition. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. Click on the start menu and type here CMD. Run CMD as an admin mode. Now type here disk part and hit the enter key. Whatever command I'll use over here, I'll provide you in the description below so that you can easily copy from there. Now you need to type here list disk and hit the enter again. Now here two disks are shown, disk 0 and disk 1. Choose the disk depending upon the type of disk you would like to delete. For example, press Windows and R key to open run command and type here disk mgmt.msc and hit the enter button. Here in disk management I have two disks, disk 0 and disk 1. I am going to delete a partition of a J drive, and J drive is located in disk 1. So I'll go ahead and here I'll choose select disk 1. Make sure you select the right disk, else you will end up losing your important data. Now hit the enter button. Now once the disk is selected, type here list partition. Now you can see here the two partition has shown, partition 1 and partition 2. And in disk management also I have two partition. This one is my first partition and this one is my second partition. I need to delete my first partition. So here in CMD I'll choose select partition 1 and again hit the enter key. Now once the partition is selected, all you need to do is to type a command delete partition override. Make sure you type the command as it is, because if you do not type the command as it is, it will not delete your data. Again you will get error. Make sure you write command delete partition override and after that hit the enter button. Now you can see that this part has successfully deleted the partition. Now type here exit and close the command prompt. You can see in disk management also that my J drive is showing an unallocated space, which means the drive that I would like to delete is successfully deleted without any failure. That's it about it friends. If you face any kind of issue, kindly comment below and I'll provide you another way to delete the particular partition. Don't forget to provide the error code if you face any kind of issue. That's it about it friends. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.